What separates a simple tool from a legendary piece of gear? In 2026, it's not just about having a sharp edge. It's about innovation, heritage, and design that solves real problems before you even know they exist. From the depths of Scandinavian forests to cutting-edge American workshops, a new wave of knives is defining what it means to be prepared. Today, we're counting down the top 10 unique EDC knives that are more than just blades. They're the ultimate gadgets for the modern adventurer. Let's get into it. Number 10. Laguiole-Style Gentleman's Folder. Kicking off our list is a masterpiece that proves elegance and utility are not mutually exclusive. The Laguiole-Style Gentleman's Folder hails from centuries-old French tradition, instantly recognizable by the iconic bee or fly emblem embedded in its spring. This isn't mere decoration. It's the historic signature of the master cutler. What makes it a 2026 essential is its transcendent craftsmanship. The handle is often meticulously crafted from aged juniper wood, polished ram's horn, or even exotic buffalo horn, materials that gain character and a unique patina over a lifetime of use. The blade, typically a slender clip point or spear point shape, is forged from high carbon or stainless steel and honed to a refined edge perfect for the civilized tasks of the day. Opening letters, preparing food on a trailside picnic, or delicate whittling. It carries an aura of sophistication, making it the perfect companion for the outdoorsman who values tradition, aesthetics, and the quiet confidence of carrying a functional heirloom. Number 9. Victorinox Venture Pro. At number 9, we witness a legendary brand reimagining the fixed blade for the systems-oriented adventurer. The Victorinox Venture Pro is far more than a knife. It's a brilliantly conceived survival hub. Victorinox applied its world-famous Swiss design philosophy to solve a critical wilderness challenge: firemaking. The genius is in the sheath, which integrates a waterproof blow tube and a dedicated dry tinder storage compartment. This eliminates fumbling for separate components in damp or windy conditions. The knife itself features a robust, slightly drop-point blade with a textured, non-slip rubberized handle for a secure grip in all conditions. While it may utilize a versatile flat grind ideal for general camp tasks. Number 8. BPS Knives Adventurer. The BPS Knives Adventurer has achieved viral status for one powerful reason. It delivers authentic, traditional bushcraft performance at an almost disruptive price point. This is a full tang knife, meaning a single piece of steel runs from the tip of the blade through the entire handle, ensuring immense strength and durability for battening and heavy work. It features a true scandi grind on honest carbon steel, which takes and holds a phenomenally sharp edge ideal for woodcraft. It comes presented with a handsome, ergonomic walnut handle and a genuine leather sheath that smells of tradition. For a newcomer, it's the perfect, no-pressure entry into the world of sharp edges and firecraft. For a seasoned expert, it's an incredibly reliable beater knife you can use hard without a second thought. Number 7. Zero Tolerance 0006. For the adventurer who ventures beyond the trailhead and into true backcountry expedition territory, the number 7 pick is your unwavering anchor. The Zero Tolerance 0006 is engineered not as a delicate woodcarver, but as a survival-oriented hybrid built to withstand absolute punishment. Its viral credentials are built on a foundation of overwhelming capability. It boasts a substantial blade forged from CPM 3V steel, a particle metallurgy super steel celebrated in the industry for its legendary combination of extreme toughness and high wear resistance. This is the steel chosen for blades that must resist chipping, bending, and abuse in the most demanding scenarios. The handle is aggressively textured for a positive grip with wet or gloved hands, and the overall design philosophy is overbuilt. It's the knife you'll see in the kits of professional guides, survival instructors, and serious overlanders, a tool that inspires total confidence because it's designed to outlast the challenge. In 2026, as pursuits become more extreme, tools like the 0006 rise to the top for their sheer, uncompromising reliability. Number 6. MKM Pocket Tango One. It has garnered awards and a cult following by mastering the art of micro-perfection. This is an ultra-compact fixed blade with a footprint so small it disappears in a pocket, yet its performance is immense. It often features a blade made from CPM MagnaCut, one of the most advanced and sought-after stainless steels today, offering an elite balance of edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The design is a modern take on the classic Nessmuck pattern, optimized for slicing and detailed camp chores. Its magnetic leather sheath is a marvel of minimalist design, allowing for swift, silent deployment. For the 2026 ultralight backpacker, urban EDC enthusiast, or anyone who needs a formidable cutting tool without the weight and bulk, the Pocket Tango One is a revelation. It represents the pinnacle of doing more with less, packing premium materials and intelligent design into a gram-conscious package. Number 5. GiantMouse AC Jagt. It is a collaborative design that embodies refined European craftsmanship. It typically features a beautifully ground blade of high-end steel like Elmax or M390, known for exceptional edge retention, paired with handle scales made from grippy, durable micarta that develops a unique character with use. Every detail is considered, from the polished hardware to the smooth deployment via flipper tab or thumb stud. What makes it a standout for 2026 is its versatile identity. It's perfectly at home processing kindling at a campsite, yet its sleek lines and refined finish make it equally appropriate in an office setting. It caters to the modern individual whose life doesn't fit into a single category. Someone who needs one impeccable tool that can transition seamlessly from a weekend in the mountains to a Monday morning meeting. It's the definition of a sophisticated, do-it-all companion. Number 4. Morakniv Garberg. This knife represents a pivotal evolution for the beloved Swedish brand Mora. While Mora is famous for its incredibly sharp, affordable scandi grind knives, the Garberg answered the community's call for ultimate durability by introducing Morakniv's first true, exposed full-tang construction. This means the robust Sandvik 14C28 in stainless steel runs uninterrupted from blade tip to pommel, encapsulated in a textured, over-molded polymer handle for a supremely secure and comfortable grip. It retains the iconic, razor-sharp scandi grind that makes Mora the gold standard for wood carving and bushcraft, and its 90-degree spine is perfectly squared for striking a ferrocerium rod. The Garberg is perennially viral because it offers professional-grade, bomb-proof reliability and legendary cutting performance at a price that remains accessible. It is the undisputed benchmark, the tool against which many others are measured. Number 3. Benchmade 165 Mini Bushcrafter. It is the culmination of precision engineering and thoughtful design for the modern outdoors person. It features a stout, drop-point blade crafted from premium CPM S30V stainless steel, a material chosen for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, vital for a tool exposed to the elements. Despite its mini designation, it's a substantial small knife with handle contours meticulously designed by experts to provide all-day comfort and control during detailed carving or food prep. Number 2. Morakniv Companion Spark. Our runner-up is arguably the most clever and accessible gateway into outdoor skills ever created. The Morakniv Companion Spark is a stroke of pure, viral genius from the masters of value. It takes the iconic razor-sharp scandi grind of the classic companion model, a blade perfectly suited for learning feather sticking and woodcraft, and integrates a full-size ferrocerium rod directly into the handle. This isn't an afterthought. It's a seamlessly designed system. The rod is securely housed and easily accessible, and the knife spine is ground to a perfect 90-degree angle to throw massive showers of sparks. The package often includes a survival whistle and reflective paracord on a sheath. It has exploded in popularity because it eliminates every excuse. For a minimal investment, a beginner gets a world-class cutting tool and a reliable fire starter in one indestructible package, lowering the barrier to entry for bushcraft and survival skills. It's a simple, perfect idea that empowers a new generation to get outside and learn. Number 1. Helle Nord, forged in the fjords of Norway. This knife is a statement piece built for a lifetime of service. It begins with a magnificent, large blade, often around 5.7 inches, made from Helle's legendary triple-laminated stainless steel, which sandwiches a hard, high-carbon core between two layers of softer, more resilient stainless for a blade that holds a devastatingly sharp edge, yet is highly resistant to breakage. This steel is honed to a flawless, true scandi grind, offering unparalleled control and bite in wood. The handle is a work of art, crafted from slabs of gorgeous curly birch that are treated with linseed oil, ensuring a warm, secure grip that becomes more beautiful with age. From its polished brass guard to its sewn leather sheath, every detail speaks of uncompromising quality. The Nord has gone viral because it represents the pinnacle of owning a functional legacy. It's not a display piece. It's a breathtakingly beautiful tool that demands to be used, making it the ultimate reward for the serious outdoorsman and the definitive knife of 2026.